Today we're going to talk about and demo the GL1 firearm mounted flashlight by Klarus. This is a 600 lumen light that comes straight out of the box, ready to be mounted to the underbarrel of your handgun, or with a small attachment can easily be mounted to a widened Picatinny rail onto your rifle. This light features 3 modes: a manual hold-on mode, a one-tap stay-on mode, or a double-tap strobe mode. At 600 lumens, that's pretty bright to be shining in your face. This is the GL1 by Klarus. Let's go test this thing out. To really test the durability of this GL1 by Klarus, we're going to shoot it with a 12 gauge shotgun. See how well it holds up. This should be interesting. Look at that! The light is still on. Hardly any damage. I think that GL1 got off way too easy on the last shot, so we're going to give it 2 rounds this time. Camera guy's going to be so pissed. I told him I would give him this light when we were done. It's not going to make it.
Cool, man.
Well, the light is still on, so we can count on that. Well, here's a piece. This looks like the little thumb piece that you press to turn the light on and off. The light is still on. Let's see if the buttons still work. Sure enough, one tap on, double tap strobe, and manual. All 3 modes work. Both buttons still work. That's pretty impressive. That thing took 3 12 gauge shots, pretty much point blank. I mean, this is a pretty durable flashlight, I would say. The GL1 by Klarus.